Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn PPC marketing. We'll start by understanding what pay-per-click advertising is and why it's so effective for businesses. You'll discover how ads appear on search engines and social media, driven by specific keywords and audience targeting. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to master digital advertising and drive immediate results. Next, let's dive into the fundamentals. Keyword research is vital. It helps you find the exact terms your potential customers are searching for. Then, you'll learn to write engaging ad copy that truly resonates and encourages clicks. Remember to set a clear daily budget, perhaps $10 to $50, to manage your spending effectively and ensure a positive return. Now, let's get your first campaign up and running. Select a platform such as Google Ads or Microsoft Advertising to begin. It's important to structure your ad groups logically, ensuring your ads are highly relevant to your chosen keywords. Once live, continuously monitor your campaign's performance, making data-driven adjustments to optimize for better results. Finally, we'll focus on optimizing and scaling your PPC efforts. Regularly analyze key metrics like your click-through rate and conversion rate to understand what's working. Implement a/B testing for your ads, aiming to improve performance by 10% or more. As your campaigns succeed, consider expanding to new audiences and exploring additional advertising platforms for growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.